Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain the Brickbloom Seeds in Heartopia. So it is for the latest Modular Streets, I'm going the wrong way, Modular Streets event, festival. So we are going to go to Blanc, and we are going to go to his gardening store, and you'll find the Brickbloom Seeds here. There's the red one, yellow, and white. Plant those in your garden and you're just going to wait for them to crossbreed, of course. And it is basically to just, it's just basically for your collection if you'd like it. But I did plant um, a few already. I think I planted like 27, each in like different colors. So I did red, yellow, and white. And I will crossbreed them later. This is what they look like. They're not matured yet, so this is what they currently look like, but they will change again. And I will do a crossbreeding video, but yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!